Scytec DataXchange is an IIoT data collection and process control system for the modern smart factory. DataXchange focuses on OEE, utilization and downtime metrics to help keep the equipment running. Scytec offers a true month-to-month subscription of DataXchange with no long-term commitment. Discounts are available based on quantity of machines as well as per annual or biannual subscriptions. DataXchange supports modern Ethernet-based protocols, including MT Connect, OPC UA, FANUC Focus, and Modbus TCP. Support for legacy equipment is available via a hardware module, which can read both analog and digital signals. It is also possible to receive data directly from the operator via an easy-to-use interface. Integrations to external systems, including ERP and CMMS, are also available. Scytec DataXchange is used in a wide variety of manufacturing industries, including aerospace and defense, medical devices, automotive, and food and beverage. Scytec DataXchange monitors machines performing metal cutting, woodworking, fabrication, assembly, and continuous processes. All information collected by Scytec DataXchange is interpreted via configurable rules. Existing rules can be modified, new rules can be created, and rules can be removed to ensure that data is being collected based on customer processes. For example, if a machine is running during setup, should that be considered in cycle? Or during a tool change, is that cycle time or downtime? It's up to you and the needs of your shop floor. Historical and real-time performance metrics can be viewed through a desktop application, a web browser, and mobile apps. A variety of real-time dashboards can be configured to meet the needs of anyone and any organization, and modified further as your processes evolve. Email, text messages, and and-on notifications can all be sent based on information received directly from the machine or an operator. Scytec DataXchange can quickly help you identify bottlenecks in your processes, reduce downtime, scrap, and waste of any kind. Using this data, you can more easily and accurately schedule preventative maintenance and prevent machine breakdowns. DataXchange provides a shop-wide communication system that can greatly improve your OEE and help your shop floor become lean. The bottom line is DataXchange pays for itself if you can save only 1 hour of downtime per month per machine. This means if your utilization increases from 60% to 60.5%, by 0.5%, for example, you have already achieved ROI on the monthly costs. Customers typically report an improvement range of between 5 and 20%, so at least 10 times what is needed to make your money back. When startup costs are included, ROI is usually achieved within a few months. Monitoring your shop floor is quickly moving from something that provides a competitive advantage to something that is required to compete. Scytec DataXchange will bring your shop floor into the modern era and will provide the data and the tools to succeed in today's manufacturing world. For more information, visit Scytec.com.